Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your guide to exploring the English language, one word at a time. Today, we're diving into an exciting word that's perfect for describing things that have progressed or moved up to a higher standard. Our word of the day is advanced. This word is an adjective used to talk about things that have reached a higher level, become more developed, or are modern in nature. When we say something is advanced, we mean it's more complex, further along in development, or at a higher standard than usual. For instance, we might describe technology, skills, or knowledge as advanced when they're beyond the basics and exhibit a deeper level of expertise. Some great synonyms for advanced include sophisticated, progressive, and innovative. For example, you might say, "This smartphone is highly sophisticated with all the latest features," or "She has progressive views on environmental issues." Each of these words helps express the idea of something being at the forefront or ahead of the norm. On the other hand, antonyms for advanced could include basic, elementary, or simple. You might hear someone say, "I'm just taking an elementary cooking class to learn the basics," or "This software offers a simple version for beginners." These words describe things that are at an early stage or straightforward, the opposite of advanced. So, how does advanced come up in our daily lives? You might hear it when someone's describing a higher level of skill, like she's taking an advanced math course, or when talking about new technology. The new phone model is very advanced compared to last year's. It's also commonly used in health and science. For instance, doctors are using advanced techniques for surgery now. This word really captures the idea of progression and complexity. Let's go over some sentences to see advanced in action. The company's new software offers advanced features for professional users. He studied advanced physics to prepare for his career in engineering. This city has an advanced public transportation system that makes getting around very easy. As you can see, advanced fits perfectly whenever we're discussing things that are beyond the ordinary and show significant progress or innovation. To sum up, advanced is an adjective we use to describe things that are at a higher level, more developed, or modern. It's a useful word for talking about expertise, technology, and any kind of progression. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more language lovers find the show. And before we wrap up, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using advanced and share it in the comments below. Can't wait to see what you come up with.